Mastering phrasal verbs, the key to dynamic English. Hello, learners! In today's video, we're diving into the world of phrasal verbs. These unique verb phrases might seem tricky, but they're an essential part of conversational English. By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify and use appropriate phrasal verbs for specific situations. Phrasal verbs are verbs that are combined with a preposition or an adverb. They take on a completely different meaning when these words are paired together, which can be surprising. For example, turn up doesn't just mean to rotate upwards. It can also mean to arrive at a place, as in, he turned up at the party. Understanding the context is crucial to determining what a phrasal verb means in a sentence. One of the best ways to learn phrasal verbs is to see them in action. Let's look at the phrasal verb, put off. In a sentence like, I put off the meeting until next week, put off means to postpone something. Remember, it's the situation or context that gives the phrasal verb its meaning. Choosing the right phrasal verb can make your English sound more natural and fluent. For instance, instead of saying, she entered the room, you might say, she walked in the room. Both are correct, but the phrasal verb, walked in, is more casual and conversational. Practice is key here. Try substituting common verbs with phrasal verbs in your daily English. For example, instead of saying, I will start the project, say, I will kick off the project. Now, it's your turn. Here's a quick exercise. Try to substitute the verbs in these sentences with an appropriate phrasal verb. 1. I will investigate the problem. 2. He discovered the truth. 3. She was surprised by the news. Remember, there may be more than one correct answer, depending on the context. Phrasal verbs may seem challenging, but they're an important tool for sounding more natural in English. Remember, context is everything when it comes to understanding and using these unique verbs. Keep practicing, and soon, they'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep learning.